We have Luna, symbol LUNA versus the dollar. And what do we have here? We got some new all-time highs. So last we looked at this was maybe about a week ago, or at least that's probably the last time we recorded a video on this one. We said if it closed the daily above 73 bucks, we're very likely looking at the century mark at triple digits at 100 and, well, getting pretty damn close there right now, actually. So again, following up on this over time, I just want to, be consistent in the way that I look at these things, because while it does require a bit of patience, well, can you have some patience if you're going to see a move like this just based off a bit of a range break and momentum turning up alongside volatility? Well, I would say probably most people can. So where are areas of interest here? Officially, it's going to be about $96.5 short term. Above there, actually, do look for this one to make a leg up somewhere around about $1.05 to 110 upon validation above that $96.5 level. While $100 is going to be a bit of psychological resistance, it's usually not like a major resistance, to be quite honest with you, except for just short-term pullbacks from that region. I'd really be looking at volatility over here to kind of judge whether this run is getting a little bit too hot or not. And in this case, we're at an 85 percentile, which is getting up there, but I really want to see my major highs at 95 percentile minimum for the most part. Anyways, short-term time frames like a 4 hour, as you did ask for, are just trendy right now. Nothing, really crazy about that. Where do you lose your short-term bullishness on this asset? That would be below about 81.5. It's quite far away from current price action, but this is why, if you're going to trade a breakout, you kind of have to be a little more aggressive, I do guess. That's also why I don't do it, because I don't like having that risk, to be fair. But if we go over here to momentum oscillators, again, getting up there, but still will remain with upside posturing as long as above 71.30. Buy daily closing today, which will also be freshly crossing up in the bullish controls and above 67.5. Also good. 5-day, which just closed last night, did confirm above and remains with upside momentum as long as above 82.5 as well. All of this is good, man. I'm looking for general continuation from here. Probably stabs that $96.5 number. Very short-term time frame pullback. Look for a higher low after that. Assuming that you get that invalidate above there on even a medium-term time frame. At that point, I'd be looking for shallow 100s. And again, invalidation below, I guess below 81, but that's not going to be too helpful for right now. It's kind of like if you missed it, you missed it, I guess. Anyways, hopefully that was helpful. And there you go for Luna, sir.